Hey guys, welcome back to Yoke and Spoke. I'm Harry. So I've just purchased a set of Superteam carbon wheels, some road wheels, 50mm depth, only 1mm inner. I got them through Alibaba for around about 456 Australian dollars. So, wow, it's so cheap. They're a bit cheaper than if you go through their online website. This is how they arrived in about, I don't know, a week, maybe 10 days tops, very quickly. So I'm going to unbox them, check them all out, make sure they're actually in great condition and everything's functional. Bit of foam on the top for protection. Okay, looking pretty good there, both wrapped. Parts pieces. Okay. Alright, here they are, Superteam. 50mm depth. They're not set up tubeless, that's just normal tape. Come with that. So as you can see, final inspection chart, that's a good sign. Go through all of those checks before they get sent out, so that's really good to know. This is the rear wheel, also came with the checks, so it's good to see that they're really looking after us there. Let's give it a spin, see if we can. Straight as a die. That's the hub sound. Alright, let's check out the weight. So this is the front, 410 grams, and the rear, 813. So 1,523 grams. That's pretty good. They said 1,500, so very close. Still got rim tape on them, so I guess if you take that out, it'll make it exactly 1,500. All right, so they look good. They were packaged well, delivered fast. They look pretty true, but and they had the checks, quality checks. Very happy with that, and the weight was bang on. I'm really excited to put some tyres on here. I'm going to put on the 35mm Pirelli Zeros that I've got. Okay, thanks for watching, and I shall report back with a review soon.